We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the umoven wallet for men, a slim leather wallet with RFID blocking and a money clip. This wallet is designed for those who prefer a minimalist approach to carrying cards and cash, combining modern materials and thoughtful design. The umoven wallet features a high-quality PU leather cover treated to be water-resistant, paired with a premium aluminum wallet chamber. This chamber has a smooth eject pop-up feature activated by a side button, allowing easy access to cards. The inner magnet in the PU cover enables the wallet cover and chamber to attach magnetically, adding to its sleek design and secure feel. The wallet offers ample storage space for a slim design. It can hold up to 12 cards in the aluminum chamber, with an additional 3 to 4 cards plus an ID window in the PU cover. There are also slots for 6 cards inside the chamber and 1 or 2 cards on the outside, making it versatile for different carrying needs. The inside includes a dedicated ID card holder slot that allows swiping without removing the card, useful for access cards, traffic cards, or work IDs. A metal money clip is included for carrying cash, and the wallet has holes on both sides to attach a lanyard or chain for added security. One of the key features of the umoven wallet is its RFID blocking capability. It has a built-in RFID chip that protects credit cards, debit cards, and driving licenses from unauthorized scanning, which is essential for modern security-conscious users. The wallet is unisex and comes in a beautiful package, making it an excellent gift option for men and women alike. Users widely praise the wallet for its quality and practicality. Many reviewers highlight that the wallet feels premium, with real leather used for the cover in some versions, and a sturdy metal card chamber rather than plastic. The card eject mechanism is described as smooth and durable, with some users appreciating the included screwdriver that allows them to adjust or remove the money clip easily. The slim profile of the wallet is a major selling point, especially for those who dislike bulky wallets that damage credit cards or are uncomfortable to carry in back pockets. The wallet's design is noted for being sleek and functional. Users report that it holds all necessary cards comfortably without feeling thick. The money clip is strong and convenient for carrying cash, although some users mention that it is better suited for a small number of bills since overloading can cause issues like ripped bills. The wallet's ability to fit in front pockets is appreciated, helping to avoid credit card damage caused by sitting on a thick wallet. There are some minor downsides reported. A few users mention that the wallet is not made from real leather in all versions, which can affect durability. Some have experienced wear and tear on the edges of the leather cover and the plastic over the ID window after about a year of use. Additionally, cards stored in the outer slots can develop edge wear over time due to frequent removal. A few users found the card eject button mechanism slightly less intuitive compared to traditional wallets when sorting through cards. Customer service for umoven receives high marks with reports of quick responses and free replacements under a lifetime warranty, which adds confidence for buyers. The wallet ranks well in its category, holding a strong customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews, indicating broad satisfaction. Overall, the umoven wallet for men is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a modern, slim, and secure wallet that prioritizes card protection and ease of use. It is especially suited for those who carry mostly cards and minimal cash, and who value RFID protection and a minimalist aesthetic. While it may not be ideal for those who carry large amounts of cash or prefer traditional bulky wallets, it excels in quality, design, and functionality for everyday modern use. We encourage those who own this wallet to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description. Using it supports our channel and helps us continue bringing you detailed reviews.